Well, after many hours on the road, I'm back from KetoCon. And while at KetoCon, I got to meet one of the biggest influencers in my ketogenic journey, Dr. Eric Berg. But I really did not want to pull a bunch of things out, get a bunch of things dirty after being on the road for so long. I just wanted to bring you guys something very simple. And guys, this is a simple game-changing cracker. What would you say if I told you you could make a Cheez-It like this? Or a white cheddar Cheez-It like this? Or if you really wanted to get crazy, a Monterey Jack Cheez-It. This recipe is so simple. I also have a couple giveaways coming up, and I'm very excited about them. Now, let me show you how to make this quick, easy, and amazing cracker. Now the best option in my opinion is to use deli cheese, and this is cheddar. Cheddar definitely performs the best for this recipe. Next I have my Colby Jack, and last I'll be using Havarti, one of my favorite new cheeses. Now when I started experimenting I used a paper plate, but I'm going to show you guys an experiment I'm doing and I will let you know at a later date how it turned out. But for now, you'll simply need some paper towels to go with that paper plate. Now there are several ways to cut the cheese, no pun intended. This is actually a tool made for cutting icings on cakes when decorating them, but it works excellent when making crackers. Simply place it over your cheese or your dough, line it up, and press it out. It's as simple as that. And look here, look at these wonderful triangular crackers I'm about to make. And if you don't have one of those handy cutters I just showed you, a pizza cutter will work just fine. And if you don't have a pizza cutter, well, your traditional knife here, it works wonderful too. Look at this. Now the secret sauce of the recipe is this, and it's a mistake I'm sure most of us make when we're in a hurry and we just throw our cheese back in the refrigerator. Then it gets dried out just like this, because we left it open like that. Now on your paper plate, you want to spread out your sliced cheese, making sure none of them touch. Then cover with napkins and add as many additional layers as you would like. And also a tip, rotating them will help them dry out much faster. And this is what your finished product will look like. And guys, you can simply keep these in a bag and make them as you need them. This personally is a great tool for me with my portion control issues. Now when you're ready to have some crackers, just pull some out, place them on your microwavable tray. And I almost forgot a pro tip. Guys, you can get these cut any thickness you want and it totally changes the cracker. It's a game changer. Now you're simply going to place these in a microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. Look at these. Have you ever seen a keto cracker look like this? Not to mention a carnivore cracker look like this. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you really want to help me out, share this on all the other social media platforms you currently browse. Again, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.